Surrounded by the St. Francis Mountains, Johnson Shut-in's unique rock structures are a jungle gym in the water of the Castor River. Shut-ins typically occur in Missouri, where streams flow through softer sedimentary bedrock, then encounter the more resistant igneous rock. It's a local swimming hole, but all are welcome to enjoy this state park. Climb around on 1.5 billion year old granite boulders the size of elephants at Elephant Rock State Park. The easiest way to see the rocks is from the almost 1 mile Braille Trail, and as the name implies, it's meant for all people. 15 minutes down the road from Johnson Shut-in's campground, it's the perfect way to let the kids wear themselves out, and it was a highlight of the kids' trip. Caledonia sits 11 miles south of Potosi. It's a historic town bringing back vintage roots. The Old Village Mercantile prides itself on being an authentic 1909 replica. There's a good chance you can get it here. I highly recommend you stop by for the fudge and definitely the hand-dipped ice cream.
This one is the Monte Cristo, so it has Swiss cheese, strawberry jam, and powdered sugar. Looks really good. And Jordan got just a normal dog with nacho cheese. Is it good?
Yeah.
Awesome.
I didn't get anything.
Zoe didn't get anything. She's saving her space for ice cream, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so strawberry jelly is my favorite, so we're gonna see what jelly tastes like on a hot dog. It's really good. I wasn't sure how good it would be. Like jelly is like a breakfast food to me. But the sweet jelly and the smoky hot dog and the bun is like kind of tastes like a hoagie bun. Really good. Goes really good together.
All right, first up is the apple cheese dog.
I do.
It's a specialty. And here we go. I gotta try it, right? It's like one of those when in Rome things. It's really heavy. We'll see.
Because there's a lot of
The bread that they use is very fluffy, like pillowy, like very, and it's really thick, good hot dog. And it tastes like apple filling on top. And surprisingly, it's really good. I thought it was going to be like a fall thing, whatever, give it a shot. But surprisingly, it's really good. And I'm excited to eat the rest of it. So get out of here while I do that.